my type of two-a-days. Woke up with no plans, what I'ma do today. These are not the same, I got no shoes today. My baby missed me, wishing it was two of me. And I'm like, if I'm not, then what's the real deal? I've been up with them for.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to the camp house. I'm not going to take you on a tour today because we got other things to do. But yesterday, Ski Doc set up super nicely out here, and we did a wax clinic and waxed everyone's board. He showed everyone how to do it the professional way, and now we got a stack of freshly done boards.
There's no cheese.
Anyone done PDEX before? We'll start to see that it's going to get the carbon buildup. The way to mitigate that is the way you hold it. Personally, is with the blowtorch. Not many people do this. So when you keep the flame on it and you work like that, it doesn't have time for that carbon to build up. Yeah, circle seems to be the best way.
We waxing, dog.
How do you get in there? Well, I use the corners. And I just kind of go back and forth a little bit like that, or in one direction. If you want flexing it in the middle and then pulling back, it's gonna get that a little bit more.
Well, you know how you
macaroni with the chicken strips. I actually got some elbow grease going into this. And that's like a fairly good tuned board for as beat up as she was, and it's gonna ride a lot better for him.
And that's one of the best part about camp is you're going to come here and not only going to teach you how to be better at snowboarding, but we're going to give you tons of information about snowboarding, like how to wax your boards and get them ready for the mountain and all that type of stuff. So super sick. Camp is the dopest. So next year when you have the chance, do it. And with that being said, let's head up to the mountain and let's start shredding, because we had a little slow of a morning. You know, we're all getting a little tired. This is day 4 of shredding, so 4 days in a row. That's a lot. So here we go.
Let's get it.
Oh yeah, put it right in the front.
You know, it was a lot more aggressive when you did mine.
Oh, don't be soft. Snowboard Camp's got a skier again.
I got some whiskey. I need a soda pop.
All right, we ready, crew?
Sure.
Yeah. Let's go. One of those.
Day 4, getting a little fatigued. Sometimes you gotta follow the legends like Nate out here. But you know what they say, the people who follow the trends, they always do it better.
Let's go.
I've seen better from a kindergartner.
I'm not in this Red Bull chugging game these kids are playing.
Give me that screwdriver. A nice fresh can of Subscribe.
All right, campers. This is our 4th day, 4th long day. We know we took it a little slow in the morning, but let's do a warm-up run. Let's get our feet underneath us. Let's feel good, and then we can get into some drills and whatnot. But once again, we have a long day ahead of us, and I feel like everyone really enjoys that side later in the day. So we'll definitely get over there too and work on those rolls and stuff and see you popping and whatnot. And so, all right, let's have some fun.
Let's go!
It's a lifty thing. You get low, you put your arm down, and then you stand up, and it should look like this. I slipped out, but like really, do you want to learn that?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, you want to get really low, you're going to put your arm down, and then you're going to stand up. You feel the position? That's the balance point. Yeah. We're low, arm down. Low, get low, get low, get low, get low.
He's doing it on the bump. What'd that tree do to you? Do a kick flip. I'm dropping!
Yeah, Todd. Yeah.
That's a good thing too.
We'll definitely break it down, Spence, don't worry. Yeah! Don't tell the doc. All right, Todd, your body position's looking better than it's ever been. But now think about digging the edge in and having a sharp line come from you. When you go from that toes to that heels, toes, heels, it's really dig it in. Yeah! I was trying to push the boundaries of showing how far you can hold an edge. I can't wait for you to see what your body looks like. It's so much better.
That's what I just said.
All right, Todd and Molly, the couple that came to camp. Did you guys have a good time?
Yeah. Awesome.
It's not even over yet, but that was really cool when they were like, "Can we come? We're a couple." I was like, "Yeah, that's even sicker." And so we've been making some jokes calling them Maud and Tolly and Tamale and teasing them, but so stoked you guys came. I feel like you guys are learning so much.
We have.
Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for coming to camp. We're having a blast with you. And they're also repping stickers. We'll do a sticker shout out soon. But guys, thanks for supporting the dream. Let's go.
Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman.
I don't know what he said, Cody, but if it's good, put it in. So we got Nate with a mic.
Ka-chow! Talking about the Golden Coast, baby. That one hurt. Holy shoot! I died. I went so far.
Well, I think the only thing that went higher than Nate on that jump hit was today's sticker shout out. We got Daily Dabber 303 with the gold sticker on the helmet. Looking insane, man. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker. As well as we got Jazer Shot 101 with the green sticker on the nose of the board. Also looking insane. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker and you're a skier like Spencer, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. Link down below as well as any of our hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, guys. Any of the merch, it's all linked down below. If you do snag it, tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did, as well as follow Instagram, TikTok for bonus extra content. You good?
Yeah.
Looks like you jacked your nose?
Dude, I dragged my face on the snow.
All right.
Oh my
If you can't
God.
tell, we're going to be in the park for a little bit, and then towards the last hour of the day, we're going to go ride with the other guys and work on some more skills and drills on the run. So, you guys stoking or what?
Yup.
Yes, sir. Pedro, did you get some sleep?
I got some sleep.
Let's go. Go.
He just sent it. It's like you don't even know what the feature is and you're just sending it.
All right, Sean and Pedro, this is your guys' first time ever at Mount Hood. Well, obviously this is day 4 of it. What are your thoughts on the mountain and the weather and the experience and like overall? Like, I think it's a unicorn. What about you guys?
Yeah, I've seen nothing like it before, but the weather could have been better. Like today I was hoping for some sun, but you know, it's still a great day.
This is not rain like the first day.
Yeah, no, the weather on the first day wasn't perfect, but the second and third day were like perfect bluebirds. It was the best, especially in like June. Like, I'm from Michigan, so
You can't have that.
from Michigan.
Are you
There is
really
no
from Michigan?
snow. Yeah. There's no snow over there right now. So.
Heck yeah, but overall, we're just stoked. One, we're not getting rain out. Tomorrow's questionable. We'll see how the weather is tomorrow. Oh, let's go! Yeah, Molly! Dude, you're right there. Just give it. Alright, so that wraps up that park section right there. We are now headed to meet back up with the other guys that were working on the skills and drills, like the carving, the popping, the ollies, the 180s. And I'm so hyped on that park. I'm really excited for week 2, all the week 2 campers to take them in there. If they were watching this, I hope you guys are stoked because week 2 is going to be insane. So, quick change in the plans. Pedro right here wants to hit the first big jump. And so,
I'm excited. We'll see how it goes.
We'll see how it goes. Slush Badger! Alright, for anyone at home that's wondering, when you want to hit your first big jump, the biggest thing
That looks so
is
cool.
speed management, like having the right speed and being in the right body position. So I've already been telling Pedro, he's not going to pop off this one. He's going to kind of just get in that stacked position and not lean back. It's a kind of a poppy jump. So if he leans back, he's going to shoot his legs above his head. Also, I don't want him to pop off of it because what I don't want him to do is accidentally spring himself forward because it's already a super poppy jump. So I just want him to kind of just go shoot. So we're going to have Nico drop real quick.
Hello.
And we're going to watch his speed, and then we'll have Cody drop, we'll watch his speed. We're not going to watch your speed. We're not watching your speed. Holy shoot! And then we'll go from there, and then I'll drop and he'll drop in. It's gonna be a good time. So you want to follow Nico in. He's dropping in. He's not really taking off any speed right now. Even those turns, so he took speed off right there. There you go. And he made it. Took a little off right there. Straight. Made it. Let's go, Pedro. Yeah, yeah. Nice! Yeah! Dude, they all just absolutely crushed that. You're flying. That was sick, Pedro, dude. That was awesome. How'd you feel?
Oh no.
Did you?
But dude, it was sick, dude.
You're flying.
Dude, I was like,
Hey, Siri.
I didn't expect it to
Pause
shoot me
music.
up so high. I kind of like collapsed a little too early.
Yeah, you collapsed a little early.
It was fun.
Dude, next go, just stay strong in that stance.
Dude, that was sweet.
So you're flying, man. That's why we do camp. Let's go. Woo! Watch this. Yes! Next! Whoa, Jeremy! What the duck do? Here comes the weather. You literally see the rain. It's working its way to the mountain. Oh, we're gonna get wet.
No excuse.
I don't know what happened because I gave the boys the camera, but we got rained out. Yeah. We're all got a little wet, but we got these fancy windbreakers.
Real fancy.
Keep us dry. Those are no linked in the description. But dude, campers crushed it. I did a run with Ralph. I didn't have the camera, and he has progressed so much this week. I'm stoked. I hope you guys are stoked. We're stoked. And we're also soaked. Stoked on soaked.
So stoked on stoked or stoked
Dude,
on
Pedro too, hitting the jump.
Dude,
Nuts.
sweet.
So,
That's sweet.
we're going to end the video here today. Tomorrow, we got Snowga coming in, which is going to be tons of fun. We're learning how to do snow yoga. And with that, guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. It is daily on this Snowboard channel. Woo!